How to download HD photos on Instagram. But first things first, before we pull up and open our Instagram application and choose the photo, we'll have to go to our Google Play Store and we will be using a third-party app. Then here, all I have to search is gonna be IG Photo Downloader. And the one that you'll be choosing is gonna be the Video Downloader and Story Saver. It actually works the same thing. You simply install this application and then you just have to bear with the ads that's gonna be visible on this app since this is free. But if you would like to use this more often, then you might wanna um, subscribing one of your features so that you can use it without any problems. Now to use the media saver, all you have to do is to go with the Instagram option in here. So this is what you'll be doing. Open the Instagram, copy the link from the media saver, click share, and just choose on media saver. Now let's just go ahead and access our photo that we chosen from Instagram. So for example, this one, you just have to tap on this arrow right here, pointing to the right, and then just tap on share, and then in here just choose on media saver, and it will automatically download by itself in an HD quality. So that's how you download photos in HD on Instagram.